How to use badges in Lasty Survival Shooter. In Lasty Survival Shooter, if you want to use badges, then there are some ways you can use badges, which you can find them in your warehouse as your items. If you've got unlocked badges, then you can see them appearing right here in your warehouse, and then you can use them for research purposes in your research center. So you can go ahead to the laboratory and you can simply find the research section where you can see the research about different technologies, elder buildings, elite troops, hero training, new home, etc. So if you go to this new home, in order to upgrade your research technology, you can use the badges. You can simply use the badges and then upgrade the tree in your tech center also. So you can use those badges to upgrade research technology primarily. Also, you can use them for hero training, military strategies, fully armed alliance, and smart approaches as well. So you can use your badges in those ways. Hopefully this video helped. Thank you.